Hi, I'm Nick James and I'm a professor of law. I've been teaching law for about 22 years. With this new edition of The New Lawyer, we've done a top-to-bottom review of the whole textbook. We've kept everything that we really loved about the first edition, so the overall structure hasn't changed. It still focuses upon what we think students need to know, the skills they need to develop, and the type of lawyer we'd like them to become. But we've also updated a lot of the legal material throughout the book, and there's a whole new final chapter that focuses on the future of law and the delivery of legal services. The legal services sector is currently undergoing a period of significant disruption as a result of the emergence of new technologies, as well as internationalization and diversification in legal services delivery models. And we want the book to prepare law students to participate in, if not lead, the transformation of the legal profession.
The Threshold Learning Outcomes, or TLOs, represent the minimum learning outcomes expected of any law graduate. And that's why we decided that if we were going to write the best possible first-year textbook for law students, that it needed to be built around the TLOs. The TLOs represent the future of legal education, away from just traditional doctrinal knowledge and towards what a lawyer really needs to be able to do and the professional identity they need to have. Since identifying the 6 TLOs, most law schools around the country have used them as the basis for designing their program learning outcomes for both the Bachelor of Laws and the Juris Doctor.
The book's digital resources include video insights from top legal practitioners and provide a window into the role of a lawyer and the legal work culture, to provide students a thorough sense of what they can expect when they begin practicing law. Animated diagrams unpack and explain legal concepts step by step, and applied exercises allow students to practice and apply what they have learned. The digital resources are directed to both students to optimise their learning, but also to the instructor to provide assistance in designing classes that achieve set outcomes. They complement and reinforce a lot of the key concepts in the book in a way that for a lot of students will be more manageable. We also reworked the statutory interpretation chapter, whereby a comprehensive review was undertaken to ensure that this integral aspect of the first-year legal education curriculum was given the specialised attention that it deserves.
While we were writing the book, we were mindful of the challenges that first-year law students face. After all, we face them ourselves. We wanted to write a book that students found approachable, that enabled them to come to terms with a new language and a new way of thinking, and developed new skills in research, communication, and self-management. But we also wanted a book that enabled lecturers to offer a blended learning experience to their students. We feel that we've achieved all this with The New Lawyer.